everybody, All Pro Exterior Services here with a beautiful home. Guy called me yesterday saying he's putting it up for sale and it sold in one day. So what we're doing here is gutter cleaning. That was part of the deal for him selling the house. So we got that done. We're just gonna get the blower set up, put some fuel in it right away, and get it rolling. Anyway, let me go ahead and get this set up. I'll catch up with you in a minute. All right, peace. All right, guys, we started on this side of the house. We're gonna work our way around the house, and that way we're heading back to the truck. Went ahead and cleaned this out, clean that out. Got this little section here with the downspout. You see we got some tree growth here, so we're gonna catch this little section here, this section here. Beautiful pool area with a nice jacuzzi. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to build at my new house. Beautiful property, nice outdoor kitchen. And actually this is walkable. Let's take a look at it. This is a higher end subdivision. We've done quite a few houses in here. In fact, look at that pool house, how green it is. It's opportunity. So yeah, we can walk this. We'll just get up there, blow all that out, blow the downspouts out, clean it out. A lot of gutter cleaning. Got a lot. Google My Business is just blowing this up right now. Done a lot of quotes over the last 2-3 days and landed about 65% of them already. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get this knocked out. We'll catch up with you in a few. We're gonna try to squeeze another one in. We're trying to take off a little earlier today, but we're gonna try to squeeze another one in here in a little bit. So we'll see. I'll catch up with you. Peace. Got the side, the back done. We're on this third side here. Get drenched with dirt. And let's run that hose pipe through that downspout. Want me to hand it to you? Here. And man, dirty. A lot of clogged up stuff. Well, luckily we got a hose right here. We don't have to run our pressure washing hose. House is dirty, but again, they sold it. Just put it right in there and tell me when, and I'll turn it on. You got it? And so they're not dumping one. You ready? Yep. Wanting to dump a bunch of money into it because they sold it, but that was one of the things the seller requested was a gutter cleaning. So we're taking before and after photos and proved to the buyer that, sorry, the buyer wanted that, not the seller. So anyway, we got it flowing. It was clogged for sure. Had a couple clogged. We had one with a tree in it. So we'll send her some photos. Anyway, guys, we got this. Well, nothing here. Just a little bit of front. We're out. We'll move on to the next one. We got a little bit of time, so get it. All right, peace. One of our quarterly customers here doing our roof debris clean off and gutter clean out. So we're gonna go ahead and knock that out right away. Put it in bags, throw it over here on the side. He trashes it out then. Concrete still looks good. This is the one I came back and post-treated. Was out here and it had some acorn stuff on it from the trees, but it looks good now, so I don't have to do that again now. So Tony's putting his cougar paws on. Safety first. And yeah, looking good. Show you guys a little bit about what's going on here. Got the trailer, got some fresh bleach. Just went to the pool store. We did some work this morning, so I had to fill up. So got, I don't know, 54. I don't like to fill it up too high. You can see it's already leaking out of here a little bit, so probably be rinsing that off. All is good, all is good. Equipment's great, everything's good. 12 volts a little weak. I don't know, it's a brand new 12 volt, so just like to close it up a little bit. We're in a pretty decent neighborhood. We did quite a few houses in this neighborhood, so it's not a bad neighborhood. But you never know. You never know. Yeah, look at that. Getting it all good. So we're gonna go get started. I get some footage of the project. Got the VP, I don't even know, big backpack. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. All these trees. Keep us in business, baby. Job security. All right, catch up. Peace. And he's up there. We're on the last side, and we got to catch that garage. It's been about 20 minutes. This place is heavily infested with leaves. We just blow it in there, but we got a few here. We're gonna go ahead and pick that up, bag them up, make them look nice for the customer who he's about due for a house wash. He likes stuff clean. I don't blame him. There's a place right behind you too, Tony. You'll see it on the roof. The roof. A leaf. See it over here by your ladder where you gotta get down anyway? And in the corner right here. So anyway, that pitch is too steep to walk, but this one's not bad. Right by your foot. So anyway, we're about wrapping it up here. We're gonna get on this garage next. Call it a wrap. All right, guys, catch up with you in a minute. Peace. Guys and girls, Tony's on the roof getting it blown out, and as soon as he's done with that, we're gonna go ahead and blow this up, clean it up real quick, bag it up, and be out of here. So yeah, good to get these. That's what I tell you guys, get these guys on these annual, biannual, quarterly contracts. You get that residual money, mailbox money. Nice, especially when the slow season comes. You get some of this stuff, you know, build up some residual business. But yeah, anyway, it's good. We're gonna tap out after this, call it a day. It's been a full day for us. So anyway, we'll get hooked up here in a minute and do a wrap up. But I'm gonna go ahead and start blowing all this in a pile and bag it up, and then we'll roll out. All right, guys, catch up. Peace. All right, everybody, back at the house. Got the trailer. We're just kind of tinkering around with it, doing some touching up. Make sure all the bolts are tight, nuts are tight, all that good stuff. Everything's, all good. So we're wrapping it up. Loving that sign. It's already got me a few jobs this year already, actually. So things blasting. So anyway, appreciate the likes, subs, calls, comments. Keep them coming. And gonna get some more content here soon. Catch up. Hey.